Batman star Ben Affleck and Marry Me star Jennifer Lopez finally gave us the moment that we were all waiting for. Famously known for their duo nickname, BenAffleck, the couple finally tied the knot during their romantic affair this July. The couple decided to ditch a lavish ceremony that they once planned in 2002 and went for a rather minimalistic wedding in Las Vegas. Let's take a peek inside their elegant wedding ceremony and find out what made it so special. As you all know, the couple was considered a huge deal back in 2002. The two were projected as a perfect couple. They even planned to wed with a lavish ceremony, but sadly, things went south and the two stopped seeing each other. Their love affair was recently revitalized at the end of 2022 when J.Lo was separated from A-Rod. Bringing back the nostalgia of their romance, the two didn't take time to think of anything and tied the knot, making things official. The two have been making headlines all over the United States and pretty much all across the globe. But let's just not tease further and end your curiosity here. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the details of Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez's expensive wedding. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Hollywood stars Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez recently got married in the White Chapel where both made vows and Jennifer took Ben's last name. The two previously flaunted a glamorous wedding which never worked out, so the couple decided to go for a casual, romantic wedding event. Forgetting their rich statuses for a while, the two got their wedding license while waiting in line with other couples. We guess true love does do wonders. From fans to their friends from the Hollywood community, everybody is taking out time to wish the couple a happy marriage ahead. Jennifer Lopez delighted everyone with her personal experience and her smashing wedding pictures through her personal newsletter, On the J.Lo. She wrote, "We did it! Love is beautiful, love is kind, and it turns out love is patient. 20 years patient. Exactly what we wanted. Last night we flew to Vegas, stood in line for a license with 4 other couples, all making the same journey to the wedding capital of the world." Much to everyone's surprise, the glamorous couple decided to wed in a white wedding chapel for $525, which featured a pink Cadillac ride into the Tunnel of Vows and a personal Elvis Presley impersonator. Everyone was genuinely delighted to see the couple that looked really happy in their wedding pictures. According to sources, congratulations are in order for Jennifer Lopez, who made it official with Ben 20 years after their initial engagement. The pair tied the knot in a surprise Las Vegas drive-thru on July 17th. As we would expect from the ever-glamorous J.Lo, she gave the low-key wedding venue a touch of luxury in an upcycled designer gown from a movie, she claims, a full face of romantic makeup, and a gorgeous half-updo that gave us all the Y2K vibes. Since Jennifer has a beautiful family and so does Ben, did they invite their families to their special day? There is nothing for you to worry about because that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Jennifer Lopez is using her platforms to share a lot about her wedding details, from what she wore to how she felt. Through her pictures posted in her personal newsletter, we got to know that her kids were at her drive-thru wedding. Jennifer's 14-year-old twin boys looked really happy for their mother as they were snapped in Elvis's vintage pink Cadillac. However, Ben's daughters didn't show up, which suggested that they were siding with their mother, Jennifer Garner, who seemed to be offended by their marriage. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the classic American-style drive-thru wedding of Ben and J.Lo? Did J.Lo make a good bride? Let us know in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.